Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Pocket Option and Olymp Trade. Pocket Option and Olymp Trade are both popular online trading platforms, but they cater to slightly different types of traders. Pocket Option is a trading platform that makes it simple for beginners to start with binary options. It has an easy-to-use design, social trading features where you can copy other traders, and many ways to deposit money, including local payment options in some countries. The platform also gives access to a variety of assets, from forex to cryptocurrencies. Many users like it because of its quick setup and low minimum deposit. However, it's a still high-risk platform, so profits are never guaranteed. Olymp Trade is a trusted trading platform that is popular among beginners because of its simple design and easy-to-use app. It has a very low minimum deposit of just $10, making it affordable to start trading. The platform is regulated by Finacom, which gives traders more security and peace of mind. It also provides free tutorials, strategies, and demo accounts to help users learn before risking real money. However, like all trading platforms, it still carries risks, and profits are not guaranteed. Overall, Pocket Option is better for variety and fast trading, while Olymp Trade is better for safety and beginners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.